Scott from National Cycle. Today we'll be installing a new VStream windshield and air deflectors on this 2021 Pan American. To complete the installation, you'll need a T25 Torx bit and a 3mm Allen wrench. To begin, simply remove the 4 bolts that hold the windshield with your T25 Torx. Now to remove the side deflectors, use also your T25 Torx head. Set aside all the original bolts. They will not be used in the new hardware. With the air deflectors removed, we're now ready to install the new National Cycle products. Now to install the deflector, you'll need 2 of the bolts from the kit, the thinner spacer at the top, and 1 thicker spacer at the bottom. Position the deflector onto the bike. Then tighten down with your 3mm Allen. Now that we got the air deflectors installed, we're ready to install the new VStream windshield. Now to install the VStream windshield, you put the original equipment windshield tray back into place. And you want to reinstall the windshield with the original bolts and the rubber gasket material. Now install your new VStream windshield with the original 4 bolts and rubber gaskets. Then fully tighten down with your T25 Torx head bit. Make sure all your hardware is fully tightened and your new VStream windshield and air deflectors are ready for the road. For more information on this product and other products by National Cycle, visit our website, nationalcycle.com. Thank you very much for watching and enjoy your ride.